Resizing Images Made Easy with Python. Welcome to our Python tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of image processing, specifically, how to resize images using Python. Ever wondered how to change the size of an image without losing its quality? Whether it's for a website, a project, or just for fun, resizing images is a crucial skill in the digital world. Let's learn how it's done with Python. First, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. We'll also need a special library called PIL, short for Python Imaging Library. Let's install it by typing pip install pillow in our command line. Now, let's write our code. First, we import the image module from PIL. Next, we load the image we want to resize. Make sure the image is in the same directory as your Python script or provide the full path. It's time to resize. Let's say we want to reduce our image's size by half. This code reduces both the width and height by half. The / ensures the result is an integer since dimensions can't be in decimals. We're almost done. Now, let's save our resized image. And that's it. We've successfully resized an image with Python. Experiment with different sizes and see how it works. Remember, practice makes perfect in coding. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more coding adventures. Happy programming!